Which one is correct to say? Enough money or enough of money? Enough time or enough of time? If you're not sure, stick till the end of this video as we will learn the difference between enough and enough of, so you will never get confused again. Hi everyone, glad to see you back. If you're new here, welcome. In today's lesson we will learn and practice using enough, enough of, and a little bit of to. For this, let's recall what we studied in the previous lesson. We talked about using infinitives with to and enough. If you haven't seen that video, you can find the link in the description down below. And we had a sentence, we've got enough money to buy a new car. Is this sentence correct? We've got enough money to buy a new car. Yes, it is correct because we need to use infinitive with enough, so enough money to buy. The same way you have enough experience to apply for this job. But enough money or enough of money, enough experience or enough of experience. What is the difference between these two sentences? I have had enough food. I have had enough of food. Very tricky, right? So the difference is very simple. If you say I have had enough food, it means that you are full. You had enough food, you are not hungry, you don't want to eat anymore, I've had enough food, I'm okay. But if you say I have had enough of food, it means that you are really fed up with food, you cannot eat anymore. Usually it happens after holidays when we had a lot of dishes on the table and we ate so much that we really do not want to eat anymore. And you say, oh no more food. I've had enough of food. I cannot eat anymore. So Longman Dictionary suggests that have had enough of something is used in spoken English and quite often used to say that you are tired or angry about a situation and you want it to stop. For example, you may say, I've had enough of my neighbor's noise, so I called the police. So I've had enough of that noise. And pay attention that you should use this have had, for example, or you may say I have heard enough of noise. I have heard enough of noise. It doesn't have to be had, but the point is that you use present perfect, and it perfectly makes sense because remember, we use present perfect or present perfect continuous to talk about something what has been going on for some time. And when you are tired of some situation and you want to say about it, that makes sense that you want to emphasize that it's been a long time and you are fed up with it, you've had enough of it, or she has had enough of it. So you talk about the longer period of time, you show it in the sentence, and that's why it's like, oh my god, I cannot stand it anymore, I'm fed up, I've had enough of it. So you technically can say I've had enough of my neighbor's noise, or you can say I've had enough of it. I actually do not know if you can hear my neighbor's noise right now, but seems like people are having a party. So that's nice that they are having a good time. I really hope that this music does not disturb you much. Again, talking about the longer period, you may say, after 3 weeks of lockdown, I've had enough of sleep. I cannot sleep anymore. I've slept enough. I've had enough of sleep. I would like to go out. Please turn off the TV. I've had enough of ads. Sick and tired of this advertisement, these commercials. I'm sick and tired of ads. Please turn off the TV. By the way, how can we say the same sentence but using to? Let's also practice. You may say, please turn off the TV. There are too many ads. Correct? Please turn off the TV. These are too annoying ads. Or these ads are too annoying to watch. Again, the infinitive. Before we have a little bit more practice, if you are enjoying this video, may I please ask you to spend 1 second of your time to give a like to this video so that it can spread to more people and more people will be able to find it. Thank you. A few more minutes of practicing to and enough, because often students get confused where to put which. So you use to before the adjective and you use enough after the adjective. For example, you may say, he is too smart to do such an easy task. Or you can say, he is too talented to do such an easy task. So first goes to and then smart or talented. Or you may say, he is clever enough to do his job well. So first adjective and then enough. Clever enough. This one might be helpful. Look, this movie is too long to start watching it so late. Maybe it is midnight already, or maybe 11 p.m. and you say, oh, come on, this movie is too long to start watching it now. Maybe we should start watching it earlier. So too long to watch it now, or that movie is short enough to finish before midnight. So first short and then enough. Well done you, good job! If you like this video, please recommend it to anyone for whom it will be useful and helpful as well. And I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, because in the next lesson we will talk about really confusing topic for many English learners, exactly using who and whom. So in order not to miss this video, subscribe, click the ring bell button, and hope to see you next time. Bye!